Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu everyone. How are you? And I hope you are all doing great and excellent. And you are all growing your English speaking level day by day and step by step. And Alhamdulillah, I am also doing very well. And I feel so peaceful in my heart because I am also increase my English speaking level day by day, step by step with all of you. So today is the day 10 of my English practice video making journey, and today I am going to share with you how I spend my weekend, how I spend my Friday, my holiday. In a week, I have only Friday for taking my rest. So in a week, I have to work every day. I have to work 6 days in a week, and every day I have to work more than 40 hours in my office. So it is too hard, but I have no way without doing this type of work. And in Friday I wake up or late, some late, like 9 or 10 a.m. After that I finished my breakfast, and then I have to do washing my clothes, I have to clean my room, I have to clean my bed, I have to all the necessary thing I have to do in the on the Friday. And then if I have some time like 30 minutes or 1 hour, so I read English, I read English books. I love to read English books. Many type of English books I read. Sometime I read my roommate English book, sometime I read my English book, and sometime I watch English videos. So after that, when the time is 12, so I take a shower and prepare myself for the Salatul Jummah. And after my showering, I wearing a nice and clean Punjabi and a pant, and I go to the masjid and read Suratul Kahf. Because of that, those people read Suratul Kahf on the Friday, Allah will save those people from the Dajjal before the Qiyamah. So if you have time, please read the Suratul Kahf on the Friday. And then I pray Salatul Jummah. After that, I take my lunch and I take some rest. Sometimes I sleep, sometimes I go to the outside of my home for refreshing my mind, and I take beauty of nature, and sometimes I go to the beautiful places. So after that I come back to my home and start my routine. Like I have so many work on the Friday, right? Like recapping our previous classes videos, and I have to watch podcast, I have to reading books. So this type of work I do in general on the Friday. And sometimes I have a bad thing. Sometimes on the Friday I watch movies, I watch natok, I watch songs. So this is very bad thing for me on the Friday. As a Muslim, I must forgive this type of thing. So may Allah, in future I will leave all those type of bad thing from me, and I will be a good person inshallah, and I will be a success person inshallah. So this is my Friday or holiday. I spend my time like this, and so you can share me your Friday. And I want to give you advice that if anyone want to chat with me, or if anyone chat with me on WhatsApp in English, so don't worry, just send me message and start your English practice, so that we can both improve our English conversation, we can both improve our communication skill. So have a good day and do something good, and pray for me and my family, and I also pray for you and for your family. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.